Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. Happy Sunday. Today, we're looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame. And as you can see, this weekend has been very lackluster with any kind of action going sideways and steady. Few things I can point out. We are still opening and closing above our support, which is good. We are starting to see that sideways low where a little bit of a liquidity grab might come to around 16.9. Ideally, we do not want to close any 4-hour candles under 16,900. As long as we can hold that level, we can go sideways and up and then test into our 17,250 to $17,400 area as soon as we get into our CME open or daily close time frame. If we do start seeing a little bit of a lull and we start closing under 16.9, I would be looking for 16,650 to be a level of support. And then if we lose that on a 4-hour open and close, then obviously we're going to be looking for 16,000, 15,800, or an under and under and under. So we don't want this little head and shoulder formation to play out to the downside. We want it to be a fake out to the upside. Only way we can do that is hold this sideways, and the next candle when we open the daily should just start launching on up, and then we will be able to look for our resistances at around 17,250, 17,200, and then 17.5, and then 18. And that's what we're looking for on Bitcoin on a daily time frame. Let me go quickly to a 4-hour. And as you can see, we have been going sideways above this 200 EMA, which is really good for support. Even if we get a pullback, I'm not looking for lower than 16.9. 16.9 is a good area for a support, a bounce, scalp long if you're trying to scalp along, but then you got to have a stop loss under 16,850 if you're scalping it in this range. And then going from there, we are looking for the breakout. And as long as we have closes at like 16,950, more than likely we're just gathering the fuel to pop up to like 17,050, which is a level that we were trying to test before. And then after that, 17,250 to 17,500. If we do get a quick move down here and we start closing under 16.8, you can look for 16.8 as the last layer of support, but then after that you got 16.650, and then after that, luckily if you can get 16.5, but more than likely you're gonna just find some support here and then continue up. On a higher time frame, everything looks like it wants to roll over, but we're on the midline of support. So I would not look for too drastic of a drop until we start closing 4 hours under 16.9. And that's Bitcoin for you on a daily time frame. Let's take a look at ETH. Here is ETH actually doing the same thing as Bitcoin, but a little bit better because it's above the 55 EMA, finding some support. If Bitcoin and ETH both can hold its support, more than likely after the daily close, the next candle will open and we'll probably go test higher. For ETH, around 1300, 1320. And then after that level is claimed, we can look for 1350, and then after that 1400, and then 1500. Basically, almost like $50 increments on ETH because it's been so tight, the consolidation. If we lose the 4-hour at around 1250, I would look for the support at around 1230, and then if we lose that, we have 1200. Losing 1200 is going to be the 1080 level that I'm looking for. I'm not looking for any of this air. I'm looking for it to just come straight down, test over here, maybe dead cat bounce, and then roll on down. That's if we have 4-hour closes under 1220, 1230. If not, sideways here and up, and then I'm looking for that 1310, 1320 area after daily close today. Going to the 4-hour time frame, you can see the 4 hours already starting to put bear divs. As we're going higher, this thing is getting lower. So be careful for a sweep of liquidity to the downside. I would be looking for at least 1250 get tapped and tested, and if it goes lower than 1250, I would be looking for 1230 to be the support. I don't want to go under 1230 without risk of rolling over and going deeper into the downside, but you know that is always going to be there, so keep in mind that that risk is there. Another good thing that is a good thing and a bad thing, we have not moved from the CME close range this weekend. 16,895. We're about $20, $30, 1265, 12. So the pop that's going to come is probably going to be for the CME. So just be patient into the end of the day, and you will basically see the possibilities of upside or downside play out. Last thing I want to go over before I make this video a short one today, Dixie. I already pointed this out to you guys uh, at the end of the video yesterday. I'll do it again. Dixie is testing into its bottom level of support. As long as we don't go under this 103.50 level and we hold this level of CME open, I'm looking for it to just get swooped down up and go up from here and test up higher. If we do go deeper from here to retrace, I'm looking for that 101 level. And if we don't get to that 101 and we start reversing from here, then you guys should all be concerned with all the assets going to the downside. Because if we find support here and we start rising up, it's going to be pressure on crypto as well as all tech stocks, stock market in general. And then if we come down here, then we're going to have a nice continued rally into the January. So keep those levels in mind for CME Open. Aside from that, guys, nothing really happened this weekend, so there's nothing really to go over. If there's any questions or concerns, please leave it in the comment section below. Um, if you could, I would greatly appreciate a like, a subscribe, press the bell button for notifications. If there's any other asset you would like me to cover, please leave it in the comment section below. I would be more than happy to cover that for you in the next video. Last but not least, if you're interested in these videos and a little bit more advanced TA, we have a Discord server where we go over charts real time and discuss strategies and all kinds of other goodies. So if you're interested, please feel free to join. The Discord server is in the description of the video below. Please just go to more info of the video and you will find the Discord server's link, as well as the other affiliate services that I would highly recommend you guys entertaining. Thank you so much, you guys. You have a great day. Be safe. Enjoy your weekend. And I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.